Good evening everybody, Austin here. So, quick video on how to clean and detail the engine bay of your work van. As you can see, my work van engine bay is absolutely spotlessly clean. I'm not a clean freak, I just like clean things. It's a 67 plate Peugeot partner. Good old diesel, of course. Dirty diesel, as the posh people call it. When I got the van, the engine was absolutely gopping with black dust, grease and grime. But I found the ultimate cleaning solution for cleaning engine bays. And this is it. Elbow grease. Normally £1 in Poundland when you can find it. Do you want to know a secret? I found another shop that sells it and it's 5p less. 95 pence per bottle. But the secret of where I got it is staying with me. So if you want to clean your engine bay or any hard to clean, greasy, grimy, dirty, filthy areas, and you don't want to use too much effort, and maybe a bit of elbow grease will help. Pre-wet the engine or the surface you wish to clean. Apply lubrious coats of elbow grease, go and have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and come back and rinse off, and you get a clean air finish like that. If you like the video, have any questions, leave them below in the comments. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd appreciate that. Click the bell icon for more updates and live features of when I post a video, and have a good evening. Bye bye.